Alright, so we're over here in Winter Park today, getting started on a new screen enclosure here. We're going to take all the screen out, get all the screws changed out, get everything prepped for the paint process, get everything prepped for the paint process, and change out the bottom 1x2s that are pitted. Basically get everything set up so we can spray this job bronze, Manix bronze, and then once that's finished we'll be able to come back and put in the new screen, the phifer 1814 mesh screen. So this is the new project we're working on here in Winter Park. We're going to be adding the new 1x2 here after we took all the old ones out. Pressure washer on the bottom. All the 1x2 has been removed. Everything has been pressure cleaned here along the bottom, and we're going to get ready to put the new 1x2 back in. We're going to be cleaning all this super gutter here. Got to get all this algae off so we can paint it. This thing's going to look awesome with all the new paint on it. You can see how the beams are kind of like a rust looking color. After a while they get faded out. The sun just bakes the paint and then it just fades out. We're going to be replacing all the screws as well. As you can see here, the paint gets faded looking. We're going to scuff all that up, get it ready for paint. This is after we sanded everything. Prepping for paint. Getting this thing all set up for the caps here. Right here. So we can pop the cap on. We're going to paint this all bronze. So we just used some white that we had. And we're going to spray it all bronze so it'll look nice. Definitely, when you sand it down, it definitely gets all that junk off of it. Alright, so we are taping everything off, as you can see here. We're getting it ready to be sprayed. Putting the paper down. That way we could spray along the bottom here. All new Protect Tapcon system here with the Nylotech screws. Turned out really nice. Added the new kick plate here. Keep the downspout from splashing in. Water on the concrete down there. We added all new 1x2s along the bottom. And we have the phifer tough screen installed on this job.